Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Legal's World. This is a general reading for Sagittarius for the month of February 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of February. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Sagittarius. So I see Two of Swords here. Little bit of confusion and things are not clear, but still you are able to handle certain things pretty well. You are confident, you are optimistic about the future, and you feel you have faith on yourself that you will be able to handle things. So, moving towards the first week, the cards are Magician, Four of Swords, and Knight of Swords. So, I see that you are a skillful person and your skills work. You can impress people with your skills, the way you talk, how you handle situations. You can even manipulate people. And in your favor, that you can turn the table around basically, if you want to. So you have those skills and you are really working very hard, moving very fast to reach a particular goal. But the only thing that you need to care about while in this particular process is of your health, and talk to people, talk to your family members. Don't feel that you are alone. Talk to them, they are always there for you. They're just a phone call away maybe. So talk to them and they will be there to help you. So you are moving pretty fast to reach somewhere. But as we know that the energy is Two of Swords, where the person is blindfolded. So I would suggest, if you excuse me, even if you are running towards a goal, at least you should be able to see the goal. Don't run without having any goal, or not having clarity regarding the goal. So this was in the first week. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Judgment reversed, Queen of Pentacles reversed, and Seven of Wands reversed. So here I see that I see some kind of a failure here. If some kind of a court case was going on, I don't see things coming in your favor. You were working pretty hard for something, but unfortunately, you did not get favorable result. You were trying to make money out of something, but unfortunately, it did not happen. So maybe in this week, you do not get some good news. Yeah, moving towards the third week, the cards are Page of Swords reversed, Three of Pentacles, and Four of Wands reversed. So here I see that if you are doing some kind of a business or taking help of a family member, you know either monetary help, or you are having a family business, or trying to set up a business with a person who is your distant relative or your family member or anybody, it might not give you good results. So try not to do that. Rather, do something which is rather do something which can be done alone, or take some time, learn some skills, and then come back. Don't basically trust someone blindly, because the other person might take the advantage of you, and it might be not too good for you as well as your family. Yeah. The fourth week of February cards are Six of Cups reversed, Eight of Cups, and King of Cups reversed. So I see the feeling of disappointment here, lack of contentment, not getting good news. If you were expecting something out of what you have done, something good, I don't see anything good coming up. And you will have a sense of discontentment. You might have a feeling that You might feel like leaving your current state and going away, far away from whatever you have, even if you have built an empire, here, and you might feel discontent because of it, even though you have a lot of things, and you might take a decision of leaving everything and going into a totally new direction. So that kind of a feeling can be there. I would suggest not to take any impulsive decision. If even if you get some kind of a feeling, even if you get a feeling like that, you can take a break, take some time off, relax, and then come back. So that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, or if you want to go for your daily or personalized readings, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. That's about it. Good luck.